I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run Visual Basic .NET, VB.NET codes inside JetBrains Writer. So let's open the JetBrains Writer 2025 and this here. This is so beautiful idea for VB.NET, so .NET. So let's check this and now continue. So this is going to use the data allow and let's this and here Visual Studio. Continue. This file. Continue. Or then you can use this plugin. Let's click on this new solution and the solution that's created. So this place, so maybe it's acting here or this giving here, maybe project this and here console tab, text tab, you can also select and this here. It, so pressure is on, you can see. Now let's select the empty and maybe select it. Simply you need to click on this schedule button. Now here project is creating a project. So here putting the project from download VB that's complete. Now you need to wait for a few second times to complete this all process. And here create button that's in. Now after that here let's click on this done. So this green button here is secret. I know I don't know that's just right. So this is here VB.NET project. Let's include something. Save that. Now click on this. Done. So build succeeded and here hello world that's just right. So this is the most simplest way we can check inside this JetBrains slide. So I hope guys this video is the helpful. So I the students. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thank you.